Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set a theme in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account in the upper right corner. So after logging in, now you'll be greeted by the home page where we can see all the options we can access for editing our store, such as home right here, orders, products, and so on. We have everything we need. So let's go ahead and see how to get started. So basically what we're going to open up is this online store section right here under the sales channels. You want to go ahead and open up online store. So go ahead and open up the online store. This is going to open up this themes subsection right here where you can take a look at the preview of your theme that you're using. You can get started customizing it and so on. So basically guys, all we have to do to change our new theme and set a new theme is go right here and scroll down. As you can see here, we can take a look at all the themes that are available. So here's the theme library where you can even go ahead and add a theme. You can visit the theme store, you can upload a zip file, do whatever you want, or you can take a look at all the popular free themes right here just by scrolling down. So once you scroll down, you can find all the themes you can use. They're free, or you can even go ahead and open up the theme store where you can have more than 80 free and paid design themes. So you can choose whichever you want. Once you're satisfied, click add button, and this is going to add a theme to your store and you can get started customizing it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.